It is that time once again, day number 6 of the 30-day Crypto.com challenge. Today is Black Friday on November 26th, but when I'm looking at my Black Friday, I see the price is down 7%. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. I wonder what Crypto.com will be worth a year from now, and that's why we're adding to our position today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel. Let's go ahead and do this. Let's go ahead and add to our position. It's at 7. Actually, we're down 7% of the day. And we're going to go to Coinbase.com to add to our position today. Who's with me? Congratulations if you are. If you're not, I do understand. But Crypto.com, it's going to be worth something in the future. So let me go ahead and do this. And once again, no financial advice. So let me go ahead and buy to our position and add to this. And we're going to go ahead and get $100 worth once again today because the market is down. So today we're going to get $100 worth, which we pretty much already know what the fees is going to be like because we got it before. We know this is going to be $96.16. We know this is going to be $3.84. And we're going to go and paste this in here. That's the price that we paid for it. So let's go ahead and format this very like so. And how many tokens did we get? 134. Not bad at all. Not bad at all. So I'm going to go add that in there. And look at this. Let me zoom this out for a minute if I can get the whole pricing. And let me go ahead and type in 6 of the formula. And yes, I'm trying to figure out a way you guys can have a copy of this sheet. I'm going to try to have it done by maybe in the next couple of days where you can have a copy of this. Anytime we do a challenge, I want to have a copy of the actual spreadsheet, and at least of this. I'll have this done for you. So I'm going to work on that for you. So don't worry at all. And we are adding into our position here. And so now what we have a total of 1,522 tokens. We still up in profit. Even though it's down, we're still up in profit. $30.16. Let's change this here to, well, we may not be up in profit because I think the average buying price does change a little bit. Go here, enter there. So actually we're down in profit. We're down $69.07, but we still have a pretty good average buying price of 79 cents because it went as high as 94 cents in terms of us getting this, buying this to us in our position right now. So we still got a long way to go. I do believe that 72 cents is going to play a role. The 72 cents, the 73 cents, the 78 cents, they going to play a role once this thing gets over $1. That's where I believe where you're going to start seeing a little bit more of the profit. So right now, 134 tokens here. I look at that, 71 cents. It even can go even lower than that, possibly before it goes back up again. So I'm excited. I'm excited because I look at this a year from now. And I plan to hold this until next summer, just to let you know. I plan to hold this next summer, and I'll explain to you exactly what my plans are when that happens. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. I'm long-term because I don't think the real profit, to me, in terms of this strategy, won't really play a role until probably mid next year, in my opinion. But it depends on what your goals are. My goals are a little bit more higher than that. I'm expecting this thing to go a little bit higher, maybe $10 to $15. No financial advice. No financial advice. But that's kind of what I'm looking at, probably even higher than that. So I just got a little bit more a different type of strategy, but I'm doing this to help you with your strategy as well. So for instance, if your strategy is to, wait till this gets you like $3 and you got $1,000, that's $3,000. Maybe you only put in $500. I'm just making an example. So I'll see you tomorrow on day number 7 on this type of challenge. My name is Adam Shelton, the captain speaking, and I'll see you on the next video.